Welcome back to our English tropical garden. So it's the end of March and the sun's shining, and I've started to unwrap the tender plants that have been covered for the winter. I bought this Ensetia out from the conservatory, and as you see it's got a leaf growing, but I will keep it under cover at the moment just to give it a little bit of extra protection. And here we have the Agave. I'm still going to keep that covered, but not because it needs that now, because it's actually survived the winter, but because over here, and I won't go too close, but behind this umbrella I have a robin nesting, and she's on the nest at the moment, so I don't want to disturb her, and that's a little bit of extra screening from the predatory birds in the garden. So here we go, let's have a little walk here. So here we have the Musu Banana. I've unwrapped that today, and you'll see here it's growing again. So, and the one up here, and it may shoot from the bottom as well. We'll have to wait and see. So I'm really pleased that that's survived, and we're going up here round the corner, and I've just unwrapped this Gunnera, and that's survived too, but I'll keep that covered at night because it can be a bit cold at the moment, but that's getting some fresh air now. And then we pan round and we come along to here and look at this Tetra panics. If I could, whoops. Again, I'm so pleased it survived, because last year the frost took it right down to here where you can see. So it's growing, got good start this year. I'm not sure whether to just take the fleece off now or not. And here we have the tree fern, which I'm going to unwrap today as well. So yeah, it's all looking really good. The other things that have survived, because I've tied them up and wrapped them in fleece, were these cordylines. So yeah, really pleased that I don't seem to have lost anything this winter. So that's a bonus. Anyway, I hope you like what you see. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.